In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stremio add-ons with the latest update. We'll go step by step, so even if you're brand new to Stremio, you'll be able to follow along and get everything working by the end of this video. First, open up Stremio on your device and make sure you're signed in. You can use either the desktop app or the web version. The process is basically the same. After you're logged in, you'll land on the main Stremio dashboard, where you can see movies, shows, and other content. Now, look towards the top or side of the screen for the section that says Add-ons. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. The Add-ons page is essentially the store or marketplace for Stremio, where you can see everything that's available to install. Once you're in the Add-ons section, you'll see different categories like official add-ons and community add-ons. Official add-ons are created or approved by Stremio, while community add-ons are made by third-party developers. Community add-ons often give you more sources and options, but it's important to only install ones you're comfortable with, since they're not maintained by Stremio itself. At the top of the add-ons page, you'll usually have a search bar and some filters. Use the filters to narrow down what you're looking for. For example, you can choose whether you want add-ons for movies, TV shows, live TV, or other types of content. This helps you avoid installing things you don't need and keeps your Stremio setup clean and easy to manage. Now, scroll through the list and find an add-on you want to install. When you see something interesting, click on it to open its details page. Here you'll see a description of what it does, what kind of content it provides, and sometimes warnings or notes from the developer. Take a moment to read this so you understand what you're adding. To install the add-on, simply click the Install button. Stremio will handle the rest automatically. In most cases, there's no need to change any settings. The add-on just becomes available right away. If an add-on has extra options, like language or region, you can configure those here as well. Once you've installed a few add-ons, go back to your library or the Discover section. Start browsing for a movie or show. When you click on a title, you should now see more streams and sources than before, coming from the add-ons you just installed. If you ever want to remove or disable an add-on, just return to the add-ons section, open the add-on again, and choose the option to uninstall or disable it. This is handy if something stops working, or if you want to tidy up your setup. That's the basic process for setting up Stremio add-ons with the latest update. Follow these steps, install the add-ons that match what you like to watch, and your Stremio experience will become much more powerful and personalized.